Hello, Harry. I wanted to show you your NeXT laser printer printing here. I've already run about a dozen copies, and I'm going to go ahead over here, start the print manager app, and then we've got the queue going, so it shows you that it runs a couple test prints. So I'm going to go ahead and disassemble. Seems to be working fairly good. If it does jam, where it doesn't take it all the way in, the key here is using this rubber rejuvenator cleaner. And there's an intake roller and then 5 separate rollers. And if you clean those up real good, it causes the rubber to expand, and then we have a printing printer. So I'm going to call this one good. I'm going to disassemble it because I know I have to get the parts to Chicago because you're only going to be there a couple days. So there we go, working NeXT printer. And as I say, I've run at least a dozen copies. It did jam a couple times, so I put some more rejuvenator, and it seems to be working fine. One more for the road. So there's the test. Goes to queue, immediately kicks it over to the printer. And winner, winner, chicken dinner. Hopefully. Yes. Works like a champ. Knock on wood. Appreciate your business and patience, and have a great day.